Good morning children. How are you? I hope you all are well. So students, in today's English class, we will revise our tense part. In our earlier class that we have already done simple present and present continuous tense. So now in today's class, we will revise simple past and past continuous. Fine. So first we will revise simple past tense. Simple past tense. Students, we will use simple past tense where we see the action or the work that happened in the past. Fine. Next, past habit or something that was often done in the past. Means अगर past में आपकी कोई habit हो या आपने कोई past में कोई work किया हो, for that we will use simple past tense. One thing I want to tell you here, as earlier I already told you about the things that you will do in your fair notebook as a revision, all this work that we will do in our class. Fine, it will be easy for you for your annual exam also. So I am going to write how we will form affirmative sentences, after that negative sentences, and at the last interrogative sentences in simple past tense. And I will give you some exercise also. Fine. So first I will tell you how we will form affirmative sentences in simple past tense. Affirmative sentences. Clear? First, subject plus verb की second form plus object. Now here I will write a sentence. He played cricket yesterday. Fine student. He played cricket yesterday. Yesterday is also the day before, means that the day has gone, means past. Clear? Some words: last night, last evening, last day, last week, last month, 2 years ago, or in 1964, or in, maybe in June. So these are the words that you will symbolize that the action or the work that already happened in the past. ये words अगर आपने कहीं भी sentences में मिलते हैं तो students हमें ये देखना चाहिए that is simple past tense, कि वो past का work है, past में कोई action या कोई काम हुआ है. Fine. Now here he subject, played verb की second form, and cricket that is our object. If I will ask what he played cricket yesterday. Clear? Now we will see negative sentences. How we will form negative sentences. Very simple students. Subject, as you know, plus did plus not plus V1, means here we will use verb की first form, but in simple it means positive sentence, or we can say affirmative sentence, we will use form of verb, second form of verb, right? Or here in negative sentences or interrogative sentences, you will remember, keep in mind that we have to use form of verb like first form of the verb, base form, or we can say the root form of the verb. Fine. So now here I will write a sentence. He did not play. Now he did not play cricket. Cricket yesterday. Fine student. He did not play. He क्या है हमारा यहाँ पर subject. Did hyphen verb. So हमें negative में किसका यूज करना है? Did का यूज करना है when we are going to make negative sentence. Clear? did not. The one thing that here in simple present tense we have to use the subject, and after that we will use the helping verb do or does. But here only the one helping verb did. That there is no need to sir is your subject is सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. आपको ये देखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है कि आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर में है या प्लूरल में है. आपकी एक ही हेल्पिंग वर्ब है डिड. आपको डिड का यूज़ करना है, नेगेटिव में डिड नॉट यूज़ करेंगे. क्लियर? In interrogative sentence, first I will write here interrogative sentences. Students, I will write here upper side. Fine. In interrogative sentences, student you will see interrogative sentences. Fine. So the structure of the interrogative sentence will be first helping verb. As usual, we use helping verb before subject. Did plus subject plus verb की first form or plus object if we have in our sentence. So we will write here did he play cricket? Did he play cricket yesterday? And at the end of the sentence, student, you have to put question mark because we are making the interrogative sentence. When we make interrogative sentence, we have to use question mark at the end of a sentence. So student, I will send you some book exercise that you have to do. This work also you have to do in your fair notebook, and some question that I will send you, the photograph of that you will do in your fair notebook. Fine. Now I am going to start past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Students, we will use past continuous tense. A continuing action taking place in the past means कोई काम जो आपका past में चल रहा था. Fine. When we can say the two action in the same sentence happening. Two action at the same sentence happening at the same time in the past. यानी कोई भी दो काम जो past में एक साथ हो रहे हो, for that we will use past continuous tense. Fine. Now we will see the formation affirmative. Affirmative sentence. How we will form? Very simple, students. As we have written present continuous tense, only the helping verb we will change in past continuous. Clear? Subject plus in present continuous we are using is am, are, but in past continuous we will use was, were, plus verb की first form plus ing, means we can say the root form or base form of the verb, and we will add ing. Now we will see here example. He was playing football. He was playing football last night. Here I am going to write last night. Clear? He was playing football last night. वह पिछली रात को फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. And some words, students, you can see the last night, last day, last year, 2 years ago, 2 months ago. So when you see these type of words, that it express that the action or the work happened in the past. Now it is clear. In affirmative sentences we will form subject plus में was verb, helping verb है. Was verb क्या है हमारी? Helping verb है. Plus verb की first form और plus ing. So he is here as a subject. Was, helping verb. I want to tell you here, was we will use with singular and were we will use with plural. According to the subject, for singular we will use I, he, she, it के साथ हम was use करेंगे. We, you, they plus में plural noun के साथ were use करेंगे. Clear? So here was is helping verb, playing verb की first form plus ing, and the other this is a object. Clear? Now we will see how we will form negative sentences. Subject plus was, word plus not, and plus V1 plus ing. Means same, we will add was, were after that not. Clear? Now, he was not playing. Simply we will add not after helping verb. He was not playing football last night. Fine, students. So he, subject, was, helping verb not, because we are making the negative sentence, and playing V1 plus ing means verb की first form plus ing, and this is a object. ये क्या है हमारा object. Now we will see interrogative sentence. How we will form interrogative sentence? So we will use was, word plus subject plus V1 plus ing. Clear? Now see here, was he playing football last night? Last night. At the end of the sentence we will put question mark. So students, in today's English class we revised simple past tense and past continuous. I will send you the work that you have to do in your fair notebook and do the practice of these tenses in your compacta book. Fine students, if you have any doubt or any query, you can call me and send a message on my mobile. Fine. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.